Your phone's camera might be watching you right now, even if you're not using it. Yes, apps can access your camera in the background without asking, but don't panic. I'll show you how to block them instantly. A lot of Android apps request camera access, and even after you close the app, some keep running quietly in the background. That means you could be watched or recorded without ever hitting record yourself. The solution, step by step. Here's how to stop it. First, go to Settings. Then scroll down, tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down. Tap on More Privacy Settings. Then tap on Permission Manager. Tap on Camera option. Now scroll and check which apps have allowed all the time access. Switch them to allow only while using the app or deny if not needed. Do the same for microphone too. Bonus tip, app suggestion. Want more control? Download an app like Glasswire or Bouncer. These apps show you exactly which apps accessed your camera or mic and when. They even alert you in real time. You never know who might be watching through your camera. Take control now and stay safe. If you found this useful, drop a like, share this video, and subscribe for more privacy tips.